Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Grandmaster ke Indian Association of Kickboxing Organisation, Dr. S.S. Harichandan, lawan ban pensyahi dalade, baka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association lani ke AMKA, kedai kesenjok ke balayo ke jeng itu, na ke Indian Association of Kickboxing Organisation. Kani kelawan hadin baka Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organisation, kelas aweng no, na ke Yako, na ke daw kikam bamsab, hakabala keno badan keti tang wei bereu bapenia yakini kesenjok. Kuma kalong menta, haka jela Meghalaya lami hadu lightly kesenjok ki bakantom, ya ke All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association, ke Meghalaya State Kickboxing Association, bat ke Meghalaya Association of Kickboxing Organisation. Handai na kaliang Harichandan ulaong, bakum kinong ilek kai, kimdei bansa elam bakla, na mardai tang ka AMKA ke balayo ke jeng itu, na ke Yako. Harichandan ulai thoru baka Yako kadan ke jeng temu ban pelong, ya ke National Kickboxing, hapo kani ke jela hakis number 1. Hakawai pat kaliang Presiden ke AMKA, usamna Samuel Hasha, ulakan tu yikiwei kikna elekai bakinwan penyeso sakani kesenjok ke batemai bat ke jaka aja hikai kadan hapo nyomer opor shillong ka AMKA kala jeru yikikna ki ban mihmat na kejela saka National Kickboxing Championship 2017 ke ban salong ha kejela Punjab nadu ka arpuar hadu arp sentering unai lur banwan.
This is not again will take little time because I can say it is again a beginning. And I am always there to guide. If possible, I will visit every year. At least for another 3 to 4 years, I will visit personally. I will take the pen. I will help you. I will conduct the technical seminars because we have to educate more and more technical officers. Because in Meghalaya, we don't have technical officers. This is a very unfortunate. The knowledge is the power. If the technical officers, if we will have more and more official referee and judges, definitely they will help us in Meghalaya to train our kickboxers. Kickboxing has no age limit. It is right from 5 years to 50 years, both for men and women. It is a wonderful game. Nothing to be worried. And the best part, it is an open platform for all the martial artists. Any boxer can play in kickboxing. Taekwondo, karate person can play in kickboxing. It is a very good.